Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to download games from a Google Play Store or browse the internet and you have a stable internet connection but basically nothing works. And to do this, first let's try to identify the issue. So here in the Google Chrome, if we try to refresh or load a new page, we have this error. The same is with Google Play Store, as if we try to install any game or app, it's stuck in a pending mode like this. And to fix this both issues, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down and locate additional settings. Go for date and time and enable set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and try to reach the same website, it works fine. You can also try to reach new one. And the Google Play Store, if we install the game again, it begins instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.